I just won this trade for 285 smackaroo using market structure. Market structure is king. If you don't know market structure, get your notebook out and get ready to learn. I'm going to be showing you today a very simple yet very profitable strategy. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. You need to invest in yourself. The best way to grow is to learn. I have a market structure course available. Link will be down below. I highly recommend that you have a look. Welcome to KFX Trading. If you're new, please smash that like and subscribe button. Today we're going to be talking all about market structure. Specifically, we're going to be looking at a resistance zone within a ranging market. I'm very excited to be bringing you this trade setup for today because we finally have a 5-minute trade setup. The past few months have just been 1-minute setups. Now, I can't complain. You're in and out of the market very quickly in the 1-minute time frame. But today we shall be seeing a 5-minute trading setup. Now, as I always do, here are the figures for the day. The longest trade, as you can see, was under 1 minute with a gross P&L of $285. Now, without further ado, let us have a look at how this trade played out. This is market structure at its finest. We're in a ranging market. You see we have resistance. We've broke above this resistance. We've pushed back down. We're now back at this resistance. We've just broken above it, but we cannot seem to make a higher high. This is why I'm getting interested in this trade. We're looking for a short. Why we're looking for a short? Well, because it is a clear resistance zone. Market structure is king, is something you just need to understand. I'm waiting for price to break this low. If we break this low, that to me is confirmation that we're pushing to the downside, and we're going to be aiming for a quick 1-to-1 pop. I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to place a sell limit. I'm going to put it right here. Our market has triggered us in. We're going for a quick 1-to-1 setup. Awesome target hit, absolutely beautiful trade. Let's explain this in further detail on TradingView. All right, let's start talking strategy. Let's get down and break this bad boy down. We're gonna need 3 key things for this trade setup to be valid. The first and most important is we need a resistance zone to be clear. All right, so let's draw this. The first is right here. So there's a resistance. Why is that a resistance? Well, price came up to it and dropped. The second time happened right here. Again, markets come to this zone and dropped. The last time the market came, it broke above the zone and then smashed to the downside. So that's telling us that this was probably a fake breakout. Okay, but got all these buyers in and then just took all their money. So what do we have? We've got the first key, which is a clear resistance zone. Second, we need the market to come to this resistance zone and fail to make a higher high. So let's see what happened. Market pushed up. We've just broken above that resistance zone, which is okay. Price retraces, moves slightly sideways. This is the second key that we needed. Have a look. What did the market do here? We pushed up, we retraced, we pushed up. the market has failed to make a higher high. The first key scenario we needed was a clear resistance zone. We have that. The second scenario that we need is a market to fail to make a higher high. So this is another check. The third and final scenario that we need is we need the market to break this low. When it breaks that low, it confirms that the market is going to respect that resistance zone and push to the downside. So what happens? We start to push down. We're going to put our entry just below here. Okay, our stop loss will be above this high. If it breaks that high, it's no longer valid. But our sell stop is just below this wick right here. Let's put our entry in. So what does the market do? Boom. Absolutely smashes that low, triggers our trade in, hits our take profit. Now I aimed for a quick pop, a quick 1-to-1. It was getting a bit late in the afternoon. I just wanted a quick 1-to-1. All right, the quick review that we need. We needed 3 scenarios to tell us that this trade setup was going to be successful and that we were going to take it. The first was that resistance zone. We needed a clear resistance zone. This is all about market structure. Market structure was telling us we were in a ranging market. Market structure told us that this was a great resistance zone because it got attacked several times. The second scenario that we needed was we failed to make a higher high. Market pushed up, retraced, pushed up, failed to make that higher high. The third scenario that we needed was a break of that low. Again, this is market structure and why market structure is absolutely king. Price broke that swing low, confirming that that resistance zone is holding and we're pushing to the downside. Boom, what do we have? Resistance zone. Boom, failure to make a higher high. Boom, break of the swing low. Absolutely gold and a great trade. 5-minute time frame. So happy that I could bring a 5-minute setup onto this YouTube channel because it's been a while. All right, I hope that helped. I hope you guys are understanding. If there's anything you need, any clarification on, please drop it in the comments down below. I'm more to help. See you next time.